Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm coming to you all today to show you a pair of earrings that I created with that same technique. As a matter of fact, if you follow me on Instagram, I have already uploaded a video not a video, a picture of these on Instagram. And I just want to say, because these comes with a message, the freedom to express whatever that lives inside of you. You know, I I have to be grateful and thankful for all the gifts and the talents that the Heavenly Father has bestowed within me. And it's so amazing, ladies and gentlemen, that when you work, when you put your work in, when you want to become the best at what you do, your master, the master of your craft, you will be amazed at what you can make from your thoughts, from your mind. I created these yesterday from that same technique that I showed you all how to do. I showed you all, for those of you who watched that video, I showed you a technique that makes your stuff look like it's hammered, but it's really not. Okay? That technique, like I said, like I specified, you can use with, and I'm going to say mainly with aluminum wire. I don't know how it would be with any other type of wire, but I know that the wire you use, it has to be it has to be wire where it's soft, where you can easily bend it. And with this, as you can see from that technique that I showed y'all how to do, it's stiff. So you can use this technique to make many, many, many different types of earrings. If you did not see that video, please go and check that video out. It's a DIY. I posted it yesterday. Go check it out. Learn how to do this technique, and you'll never use a hammer again. Okay? It takes some time, but it's well worth it. The results is well worth it. And the thing that I like about this technique is that it's on both sides. Aluminum wire, y'all, and I use 12 gauge aluminum wire. So, with that being said, I want to thank those of you who have decided to watch this video and click on this video. I greatly appreciate it. But also, if you are new to this platform, please subscribe by hitting the all bell button on the side so that when I upload more videos, you will definitely be notified. I want to thank y'all for watching. Have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.